Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I've got 3 different diamond paintings to share with you. I do seem to have gone a bit mad on the bigger ones on this last order, but we will start with the small one and let's have a look at what goodies we have today. So this first small one is a 30 by 30 by 30. It is a little bit delayed for Easter. It was nearly Easter when I ordered. It did arrive just before Easter, but of course by the time I get it unboxed and videoed, Easter's gone. That's my bad, but that's fine. I'm all for getting things for seasons all year round because it gives me plenty of time to do it before next Easter. So I thought this one would look really, really nice in a frame, just sort of around that time of year. What size is it? Just so I know what sort of frame I need to keep an eye out for. But it is just under 25 by just under 25. I'm pretty sure IKEA do a frame that's 25 by 25. So maybe a shop is in my future. I'm never going to object to that. But this does have 22 colours, which is quite nice. It's a lot of it sort of pastel-y colours with a little pop of the pink. So I thought this would be really nice, as I say, just a little frame, maybe a little box frame that sort of stands on its own. Comes out around the Easter time. Symbols and everything look clear. Do get a toolkit, basic toolkit, spoke wax pen, and then have a look at these proper Easter colours. So instead of a background full of 3865, it's full of number 20, which is 3770. So we do get 3 bags of those. Then we do have, a little pop of green. What's that one? 3866. So we do have a little bit of an off-white, but there's no white. Then we've got some really nice shades of pink. More nice shades of green with some grey, a little bit of pops of colour, some gorgeous blues, nice soft pinks as well as the bright pinks, more greens, peachy colours. So I think that's going to be a really nice sort of soft springy photo that will be a nice one to put up at Easter. Which of course has passed, but gives me plenty of time to get it done, which sometimes is needed. Okay, big ones. Let's have a look. They sort of come in 2 bags. So there's sort of one bag attached to another bag. So let's get out of one bag. Oh, we've got another one that looks to be, it's a double-sided tape one. Whoa, that is one heck of a lot of one colour. It does come with a sort of a posher toolkit with tweezers, a grip, a couple of different size, multi-placers, comes with the white tray. Looks very similar to another company, but let me show you this bag of one particular colour. Oh, there's another colour that's a lot of. Okay, so this is B5200. And this is 310. Can you sort of get the idea of what type of painting has caught my eye again? Yes, one with a lot of black and white. It does have some shading, but not a lot. So it is quite a bit of black and white. Let me show you the image. You get this awful plastic stuff off that just wants to attack you. attach itself to you and be your friend forevermore. Get off my fingers. Okay, but this one, see, thing is, when I go shopping for diamond paintings, when I go nosying and I go looking, sometimes things just grab me and I'm like, oh, that would look really nice in X place, you know, around a home. And it doesn't matter whether I've got that in my home or not. I've got the idea, so I roll with it. So I thought this would look absolutely gorgeous in a bedroom or a dressing room. Now, it's not something that would necessarily suit my bedroom at the moment, unless, of course, I used it as an excuse to redecorate. And I don't have a dressing room, but it's gorgeous. So I picked it. So it comes with 33 colours. It is a square and it is on double-sided tape. So let me see if I can get these covers peeled back so that it lies flat, and then I can show you the image a little bit better. Let's see how far I can get this to go. I may need to put it back, fold it back down and then peel it back up again. Oh no, I might get away with it on this one. It is a 40 by 50. And I will check, but because it's poured glue, it does make me think it's a true 40 by 50. Look, you can see what all the black is, can't you? But look at that. Isn't that just stunning? A bit of the Eiffel Tower in the background. Nice shoe bag, you know, bit of shopping. Yeah. I just like the picture. I just thought it looked, as I say, really stunning. I've not done very well at actually folding that back because I seem to have gone off a little bit. Let's try doing it right. There we go. That's why I don't like to fold it all the way back, because otherwise, more often than not, I make even more of a mess. So there is pretty much all around the outside is that B5-200. And I'm not doing very well folding that one back again either. But yeah, all this is the B5-200, and most of this, apart from a little bit of shading, to of course give definition to the dress, is black. But I like it anyway. So that is the image. You can sort of see where those little bits of shading come in. But apart from that, it is primarily black. And then all the other colours come in around the likes of the tower and stuff. But as I say, I like it. So let's have a look at this one. This is another, oh, I didn't check the size of that canvas, did I? I'm pretty sure the drill area will be 40 by 50, but let's just double check. So it's 39 by 49, so it's not far off being a true 40 by 50. And let's have a look what this one is. Is this one the same? And I don't know if it's, maybe it's square paintings that are starting to come like this. It's definitely rolled up. Oh no, so this one is different again. So it does still come with the sort of same toolkit. It does come with the diamonds packaged in the same sort of way, so in grip seal bags, which is always a plus. But this one is poured glue. It is very much hit and miss whether you get poured glue or not. Which, if you're like me and don't mind either, then that's fine. But I know some people don't like one type of glue, but look at him. So this is a fox in the snow. You'll be able to see this one a lot clearer. Because it's poured glue, it does have a clear cover. It does still come with a foam core, but look, isn't he nice? I thought he was nice. Nice chappy. Wouldn't like to meet one in real life, but a nice chappy. Quite a nice image. Does have quite a lot of sort of this blue colour, which I'm guessing is what brings in some of the snow. We've got quite a few different oranges as well. We've got some blues. Quite a few different colours there. 35 different colours. And by the looks of it, it is that 2298, I think is that one, that we have the most of. So that's the one with the highest amount of colours. So there is 310 in there as well. So if you like to avoid black, there is 310. There is also 3865, though there's not much of that. But, oh, he's nice. And this one looks to be the same sort of manufacturer as the last one, but this one is poured glue. And this one also measures 39 by just under 49. So again, just a smidge shorter than the size, but not by much at all. I like him. So today's is a bit of a variety, a couple of 40 by 50s because the images caught me. So we have the shopping lady, we have the fox, and then we have a nice fun sign for Easter. I will pop links to all of these in the description down below in case any of them have caught your eye. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Fansells for sending me these items to share with you all, and I'll speak to you all again soon.